Hi guys, Scott McPharlin, Magain Real Estate, and welcome to 3 of 68 Gulfview Road in the beautiful Christies Beach. On such a stunning day like this, it reminds us all why we want to be close to the beach, and this is a great option. Full backyard, great open plan living area, and of course we've got 3 great sized bedrooms with a 2-way bathroom and a second toilet downstairs. Why don't we go inside and check it all out?
So pick me up when you're done working. You know that I wanna see you're worth it. The way you treat me, I'm undeserving. Every day I'm with you, I think you're perfect. On a Saturday night, I was doing just fine. I was out on my own, didn't want nobody else. Then I opened my eyes and I put down my pride. I was holding you closer than anybody else. When the lights go out, it's you, babe. Every time I'm down, it's you, babe. Every night in my sleep, I'm saying your name. You know for me, it's always gonna be you, babe. When the lights go out, it's you, babe. Every time I'm down, it's you, babe. Every night in my sleep, I'm saying your name. You know for me, it's always gonna be you, babe.
I absolutely love this design. I think it's a great option for young first home buyers or even investors looking to get into the beachside market. It's beautifully neat and clean. It's in a great location with an easy walk to the beach. And of course, there's great shopping and public transport just around the corner. My name's Scott McPharlin from Magain Real Estate. Can't wait to see it and open soon.